Good morning, students. I am Professor Aarti Prasad, EX Department, Assistant Professor, SIRT College, and the subject name is Energy and Environmental Engineering, and the topic is ecosystem. We discuss today's topic ecosystem. What is ecosystem and types of ecosystem? So, what is ecosystem? An ecosystem is a group of plants and animals along with physical environment with which interacts, right? So it is an community of different species interfacing with one another and with their environmental exchanging energy and matter. Also, you can say कि ecosystem is a community of living organisms like plant, animal, and microbes in conjunction with the non-living components of their environment like air, water, minerals, soil. So this is interacting as a system. So this system is a biological community of interfacing organisms and their physical environment. This is called ecosystem. And the types of ecosystem, there are two types of ecosystem, natural ecosystem and the man-made ecosystem. The first classification of ecosystem will be natural ecosystem and the man-made ecosystem, right? So what is natural ecosystem? Then we discuss man-made ecosystem. Natural ecosystem, it operate under natural condition. So there is no interference by man at all. It can be divided further on the basis of habitat. There are further divided into two parts, that is terrestrial ecosystem and the aquatic ecosystem. Terrestrial ecosystem like forest ecosystem, grass ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and the second one is the aquatic ecosystem. This can also be further divided into two parts, that is freshwater ecosystem and the marine water ecosystem, right? So marine example of freshwater like running water, stream, and second one is the standing water like lake and pond. And second one is the marine water. Marine water means salt water ecosystem, right? So this is the natural ecosystem. And what is man-made ecosystem, or you can say artificial ecosystem? These ecosystem are maintained artificially by man, where energy is added and manipulated through planning like cropland, gardens, aquarium, etc. Right? So freshwater again divided into two parts, lotic and lentic ecosystem. Lotic means where water is in motion, and lentic ecosystem means where water is in standing position. So man-made ecosystem, which is made and controlled by only human being but meet all criteria of an ecosystem, is called man-made ecosystem. So without human intervention and the supervision, a man-made ecosystem will be disintegrated. So it is comparatively less complex when compared as to natural ecosystem like a man-made ecosystem. Take example, man-made ecosystem like agriculture-based system like the garden, orchards, product of land development like a lake, canal, park, product of observation and lively requirement like a aquarium, building and a city. So this is called the man-made ecosystem, right? And then again divided into natural ecosystem by two parts, aquatic and the terrestrial. This is the diagram of the flow chart of the ecosystem, natural ecosystem. This is divided into two parts, aquatic and the terrestrial. Further divided aquatic, this is again two types, marine and the freshwater, and freshwater like river, lake, wetland. Okay. And the second part is the terrestrial. Terrestrial again divided into four parts, that is forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, and mountain ecosystem. So these are the natural ecosystem, and this is the block diagram of the natural ecosystem. Thank you.